kasngi ka pratarik ulaber, ka Meghalaya Police Lyngba ka Crime Investigation Department, kila pelat pat ba ek mobile application ka Make Cop Watch. Ya kani ka app, la penmi da ka kong ida shisha nongrang, ka IPS Special Director General of Police ka jela, haringkat ka jingdon lang ki he pulit, na kaliang ki Crime Branch bat na ka CID. Lyngba kani ka app, kan yarap ban penkloy ka jing pentip shiki pulit, la don kino ki jing da ka bapet ya ka location Lyngba ka map. Kani ka app kan yarap banda ya ka long ieng, jong ki kena bat ki kynthei, ki balet school, ki batray kam, bat ki basak maray ki hostel bat PG, bat ki balet mh ki kam ki baki tray. Kani ka app kan tray kam hagaktin Khasi, English bat Hindi. Kakong ira shisha nongrang, kalong baki kynthei ki kena ki don kam ban download ya kani ka app, haki mobile ki jong ki, kanang balada ki don haka jingma, haka ïaid, kin pendon kam da kani ka app, bat ban yo ka jing shakri, bat ka jingiada na ki bor pulit.
When Supriya first talked to me about the Make Cop Watch app, it was something which had been at the back of my mind, and something which, unfortunately, we in Meghalaya really feel a need for. We are launching this app initially here in Shillong, but we hope to extend the reach of this app to all various other parts of the state, especially in what we have identified as hotspot areas where we have a number of cases reported against women and children. Here in this Make Cop Watch app, the features of which will be, I know will be detailed more specifically by Supriya later in the program. We are looking to address a very long-felt need. I know that a lot of our friends in the media have time and again reported the increased crimes against women and the fact that there is something lacking in our response towards it. We hope that by the launching of this app, we will be able to address the time lag. We will be able to address the issues more efficiently, more adequately, and ensure that it is not just the response, the immediate response, but also the subsequent response, the investigation into the case, the steps that we take to alleviate the distress of women in any situation. We hope that, with the presence of our friends from the media, this launching of this app will go a long way in addressing that problem. I would also like to state that this is something that has been thought about not only here, but after like what Dalton had mentioned, after the Navaya gang rape in 2012, we have had various other state police launching various apps. We are happy that we are here in Meghalaya, we've been able to work together with the partner who developed the app and are able to launch the app.
Security to all in a more effective manner. And hence at the outset, I would like to thank Special DGP ma'am for providing full support to the idea and the cause that has led to the launch of the application today. The need of the application was felt as a supervisory officer sifting through multiple cases of POCSO and sexual assault on women on a daily basis. And it was noticed that many cases of sexual assault go unreported, especially when the perpetrators are family members or friends of the victim, and also because of the shame or stigma associated with the commission of such crimes. Moreover, even when cases are reported, the reporting is often very late. For instance, a case may only be reported when a pregnancy in an advanced stage is noticed by a guardian and detected at a hospital, or when an ASHA worker notices domestic violence in a particular household. The situation had to be remedied, as after all, every victim of sexual assault or any kind of abuse must be helped, counseled, provide a sense of justice and safety. In this light, it was realized that the reporting of assault cases may increase if the victim has an option to report a case of sexual assault when she is still under the shock of the incident, when she is panicked, scared or in distress, and if she is confident that help will come her way. For this, providing a panic button on her phone, a device that we all carry with ourselves 24/7, is essential. Such ideas were first conceptualized in the wake of the Nirbhaya incident in 2012, and it was important that we implemented these ideas for the betterment of the public. Today we are launching the application for Shillong City, but shortly it shall be extended to all of East Khasi Hills and thereafter to all districts of Meghalaya. In fact, our police teams across the state, not just in Shillong, have already been trained to respond to the application and the generated distress calls. The application will work in tandem with the recently launched National Emergency Response System 112 and will enhance its capabilities, but also extend the services to senior citizens in distress, fire incidents, and all other kinds of crimes. Moreover, to tackle any network issues or lack of it, the application will save alerts even when the mobile network is unavailable and will forward the alert as and when network resumes. This will help make Meghalaya safe for women and children. It provides safety for those who are studying in Meghalaya, working here, staying alone in PGs, hostels, and remote areas, those who have to travel at odd hours for work, children who may be at sometimes with limited parental supervision as parents have to go to work. So I would encourage all to download this application, fill in the limited registration details that are required, and understand the working of the app so that you're ready when you're in a challenging situation and so that you're confident that help will arrive.